Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Breaker Broke is back again. We're on box number 3. Just set up on my trailer. Got a load of steel. Shut down at this truck stop, the 218 Fuel Express in Floyd, Iowa. I'm about 30 miles from my cosignee. Let's see if I can get a good angle. Got my soft sleeves and top loaders ready. Put my commons in there. I got my stands. It's kind of standing on the ground here. A little bit high, angle's kind of off a bit. Hope it's not too breezy. It's a little bit less breezy than the other day, yesterday. So, what we got here? So, you know, yesterday was my birthday. Just another day, still out on the road working. I know that once I get this opened up here, I get the angle back in the shot. There we go. Bear with me, ladies and gentlemen. Like the weather's getting nicer, so I can do these outdoor rips. And nothing thick in there. Let's see. Go down. I got another gold in there. Another cardboard brown. Charlie Brown. Jared Trio, Harry Ford, Jeremiah Jones, Michael King. Here, try to stay in the shot here. Manny Machado, Robbie Ray, Jordan Westberg, Jake Bowers, Kyle, Minnesota Twins card. Throat's a little dry. Brian, Ranger Suarez, Trey Savage. And the rookie, I like that, and the base rookie. Tanner Gordon, Kyle Barrows, Zach Cole, Slade Canzoni, Brian Reynolds, Carter Jensen. I got a Carter Jensen out of the first one. Jaron Duran, Robert Hessel, Dirt Dynamos, Swaddle Cabrera, Chase Dollander. Surprised there wasn't another Chase Dollander right behind it. Like it wasn't his update rookie debut is always back to back. Moises Ballesteros on the Future Stars. I do. Ian Happ. I like the Future Stars cards. Even though all the ones that get Future Stars cards don't always end up becoming Future Stars. If you look back in the late 80s when they started putting that Future Stars, how many of those had the Future Stars cards that nobody remembers anymore? Braxton Ashcroft, Hunter Barco, Shohei Ohtani, Rada, Matt Chapman, Andres Chaparro, Cutter Crawford, Austin Martin, Andres Jimenez. All smiles. We got Ellie De La Cruz and Will Benson. There you go, Chris Sale. I got his rainbow foil out of the last one. So these are the two that I bought, or I picked out. Eric Wagaman, Brendan Nemo, Finding Nemo, Tampa Bay Rays, Alex Thomas. Alright, let's see. Get these to stay together. Alright, got the goodies back here. So you got Ryan Weathers is my cardboard brown. Where am I gonna put? I'll put him right there because I know I got. Let's see here. I'll flip these around. Kind of saw that one. Nick Clofton, There's Trey Savage. And the titans of the game. Pete Alonso. Christian Moore, rookie. Hey, Christian Moore back-to-back. I like that. Brent Roker. And then we got Brent Roker here. We got Brian Buxton on the glove works. Our first Diamante. We got Dylan Lyle of Future Stars and Cade Smith. And we got a holofoil of Duggan Darnell. Alright, we'll get this all packed up, do some housekeeping, get this put away, get these cards soft sleeved and top loaded, and catch you later. Thanks for watching.